Okay, everyone, we're on Four Corners on Fremont Street, back downtown Las Vegas, and today we're going to check out the Fremont Hotel and Casino. Four Corners is the intersection of Casino Center Boulevard and Fremont Street, and the four casinos that make up the Four Corners are this one, the Fremont, the Four Queens, the Golden Nugget, and Binion's Gambling Hall and Hotel. These and many other hotel casinos in the Fremont district are available to watch on the Yawk channel as we continue to check out all the places in the downtown Fremont experience area. The Fremont opened in 1956 and it was the tallest building in the state of Nevada at the time, and it had 155 rooms. It cost $6 million to open, and in 1963 the hotel was expanded to include the 14-story Ogden Tower and one of the city's first vertical parking garages. In 1959, Wayne Newton, Mr. Las Vegas himself, made his start in Las Vegas at the Fremont in its Carnival Lounge. This is Missy, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Missy shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This is the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. And here we have a Dunkin' Donuts. If you plan on visiting Vegas in the near future, check out the link below in the description. 50 things to do and tips while visiting Las Vegas. And here we have the casino bar. This is the 2nd Street Grill. It's billed as casual fine dining, and it's recognized as one of Las Vegas's best restaurants year after year by a Zagat survey. It features the usual fare: steak, seafood, and poultry. There's a Tony Roma's here, and they're known for, you guessed it, ribs. It wouldn't be a Vegas hotel if it didn't have a buffet. This is the Fremont Paradise Buffet. Right now they're featuring all-you-can-eat crab legs and seafood for $26. That sounds like a deal to me. Here is the casino's sports book. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the Yawk channel. And what we have here appears to be a sports bar because there's not enough places in this town to get a drink. We have quite a few more historic, older, and much smaller hotel and casinos down here in the Fremont area coming up on this channel before we start heading back uptown again, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.